Hey y'all, today I'll be reviewing and installing this 4x4 lace closure deep wave wig that I got from Domiso here on Amazon. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Say I'm proud of you. You don't have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing and installing this bomb. I'm tired of doing this. I'm tired of saying the same thing because y'all gonna stop believing me. But I love this hair. I just love like the fullness of it, like how poofy it gets. Oh, it's so cute.
You don't love me!
But anyway, so today I'm going to be reviewing and installing this wig. This is the Domiso Hair 4x4 lace closure 180% density deep wave wig in 22 inches. And you see what I'm saying? 180% density. I believe it. All right, so first of all, let's get into this review. I'm gonna show you the install after like I tell you a little bit about this wig, but let's get into this review. When I first took this hair out of the pack, I was like, okay, come through curls. I started like finger combing through and I'm like, this hair really soft. It's giving Puerto Rican.
I felt like a Spanish, like a Puerto Rican in this hair. I felt Puerto Rican.
Okay, no. I don't know if that's inappropriate. So anyway, because I would hate for a to say, I would hate for someone to be like, I feel black in these braids. I don't know. So anyways, I always tell my beginners, like the ones that are not really used to wearing lace, this is the best type of wig to start off with. Either a lace closure wig or a T-part wig. But this lace closure wigs are like the best, like if you want to like have side part, middle part, other side part type thing. This is the best type of wig to start off with. And bro, I mean sis, this wig is really, you know, it's giving what's supposed to be gave. Now there is some shedding, but it's not too much. I got like 4 or 5 strands with that. Not too much shedding, and I did pluck the hairline a little bit more. I did bleach the knots, but for the most part, it is very beginner friendly. This wig is made for brown skin, dark skin tones. I would recommend it for light skin tones because of the color of the lace. But if you know how to make it do what it do, then by all means, go ahead. But yeah, I like wearing curly hair poofy, but I know a lot of people like to wear hair look like that wet look type thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to see what it look like, a little wet. With all of that I just did, like all that finger combing you just watched me do, this is like a 7.5. So it's not that much. Like, all right, so to wrap up the review, I usually give like products or wigs like a 5-star rating, but for this wig I'm gonna give it a 10 because it's a little bit more like technical. For beginners, this is perfect. 5 out of 5, 10 out of 10, must try again. But for the people that know how to work with lace, I would give this wig like a 8 out of 10. And the only reason why I would do that is because of the lace texture and the lace color. It was kind of difficult to blend in with my skin. But anyways, yeah, I would give this wig a 8 out of 10, strong 8.5 out of 10. And I would possibly even give it a 9 because the hair is so soft and full. Like, look at this. I wet this hair and it's still full. I really love this. Like this it right here. This that like old school wet and wavy. Y'all remember that? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking. I mean, I'm lying. There's gonna be a voiceover, but I'm gonna stop like talking like this and get into the install. Before I do, I want to give a big shout out to Domiso Hair on Amazon. I have more hair information and a link to purchase and a link to the store in the description box below if you're interested. So go ahead and check that out, and yeah, enjoy the video. Alright, so when I got my package from Amazon, it came in this box. And inside of the box, there's the wig inside of like a plastic bag, and there's a wig cap. This is a deep wave wig in 22 inches. And taking it out of the packaging, first impressions, this hair was really shiny and really bouncy. And you can see that curl pattern. I was in love with that curl pattern. Let's get into the cap construction. The inside of the wig has 4 combs, it has 2 adjustable straps, and it has a 4-inch parting space. And it's made with Swiss lace, and it's like a dusty light brown color. And I'm gonna go ahead and try it on just to see how it fits. I would say it's big head friendly. It fits me very comfortable. It's not tight at all. It's a medium cap, so it's about 22 to 22.5 inches. But if you have a small head, I would say you could get this wig too, because you could just use the adjustable straps, or you could sew on an elastic band. And I'm just looking to see what it looks like as a middle part and a side part. Now I went ahead and bleached the knots off camera. I used 40 volume developer and quick blue bleach. I left it on for way too long. I completely forgot that the bleach was sitting on there. But anyways, I went ahead and plucked it a little bit more. This wig is pre-plucked, but I just wanted to pluck it a little bit more to make it look a little bit more natural. After I'm done plucking, I went ahead and put some heat protectant and hot combed it back just to see what the hairline was giving. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the middle part. I'm going to clean up the hairline and separate the baby hairs from the hair that's being pushed back. And these baby hairs are kind of thick. I wish I would have plucked it a little bit more, but it's okay. I'm gonna tell y'all, when I first started like doing these baby hairs, I had in mind that I was gonna be doing like fluffy curly baby hairs. It didn't end out that way, but you'll see later on. All right, so now I went ahead and flipped the wig inside out, and I put some makeup on top of the lace so that it can match my skin color. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off in like a zigzag motion, kinda. Now, I decided to style this wig off of my head so it could be easier and faster, and so that I could see everything that I was doing. And I'm gonna go ahead and start with the actual install. I did the ball cap method for the little closure area off camera, and I'm going to go ahead and apply some of my Ghost Bond glue. I'm putting it like an inch back, and I'm putting it 4 inches across, I'm assuming, because I'm putting it underneath the lace closure area. Then I go ahead and let that dry a little bit until it turns clear, semi-clear. Y'all know I don't wait for it to, you know, turn all the way. And I don't put too many layers because I'm not trying to make this sit on my head for weeks and weeks and weeks. But then I go behind that with my Got to Be Free spray, and then I tie that down and dry it. And once that's dry, I'm going to go ahead and grab my Murray's Black Beeswax, and I'm going to use that to slick the frizzies down and to clean up the parting area. Then to the baby hairs, like I said, I told you I was going to try to do this little fluffy thing. But then, whew, it was too much. It was just too much. It was too much hair there, I'm assuming. Like, anyway, so I just slicked that thing down. I just slid that thing down with some foam, and I tied it down. Okay, so while that's melting, I'm going to go ahead and style the hair a bit, comb it out, And as you can see, it was really full. It's 180% density, so if you like big hair, like, this the wig. And then, like I said, I over bleached these knots, so I cleaned it up with some eyeliner, and I moved out of frame when I was doing the part with the eyeliner with the concealer. Sorry about that, but and this is the finished look. Alright, y'all, so that's the ending of the video. This wig, really cute. So I want to give a very big shout out to Domiso hair on Amazon for this wig to review. I have more hair information and a link to purchase and a link to the store in my description box below if you're interested. If you want to see more pictures or videos, you can check out my TikTok at Styles by Honey, my Instagram at Styles by Honey with 2 Y's, and my Pinterest at Styles by Honey. Alright, so big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love y'all so much. Mwah.